Another story from you, Willie Do. Tesla hacker reveals what driver-facing camera's looking for. So I tried to deny you this story, but then I read a little bit more. I thought, you know what? That is kind of interesting. Tesla originally, they said, yeah, we're just putting this camera in here. We're not going to really use it for anything. We're just doing research, and it won't be connected to you at all, not you, the person. It'll just go into a generic pool of just human activity. It'll all just be numbers and digits. No one will know that you were sleeping.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But no one really knew how this camera looking at your face inside of your Tesla was interpreting your activities. And this hacker, well, I guess he peeked into the code a little bit. He took a little code peek just with his breakfast cereal. Breakfast cereal and a code peek. That's what you do for when you're a hacker, by the name of Green.
Oh.
Which is a good hacker name if you focus on Tesla.
Yeah. Very fitting.
Green. Anyway, he discovered what events the automaker is trying to detect with the driver-facing camera. And I suppose these events would be sent back to them for their various learning processes and potentially their future products and potentially their full self-driving, maximum autonomy. They might need to know this stuff. I don't know. But here are the different statuses of a driver based on the car's interpretation of that driver. Blinded, dark, eyes closed, eyes down, eyes nominal, eyes up, head down, head truncated.
What, like you have no neck?
No, I'm saying like slouched over.
Oh,
I assume.
maybe, yeah.
Head trunk? What is it? What is define truncated? What does truncated mean?
I think you might be right.
Shorten by cutting off the top or the head or the end.
Or I could be right.
A truncated cone shape. Replace an edge by plane. Shorten, cutting off the top. So the head is cut off? The top is cut off? In other words, it can't see the whole head, which would be if you were slouched on top of the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Anyway, whatever. Head trunk is one of them. Looking left, looking right. Phone use. Ooh, it knows when you're looking at your phone. Tesla people, careful, careful. Sunglasses, eyes likely nominal, or sunglasses, likely eyes down. Cool. It's seeing through the sunglasses also. Now, apparently none of this stuff is currently being utilized when it comes to tracking whether or not you're paying attention. The only thing that they do is detect if torque is being applied to the wheel, which of course you've experienced when we had the Model 3 over there. Apparently none of this stuff is in motion yet. And if they're using it, it's only for future projects, and it is apparently anonymous for the time being. But maybe you can derive something from these code words as to what Tesla may eventually be looking for, and maybe you should keep your head from trunking.
Yeah.
Be careful.